when they don't know what to do, they either give you steroids like prednisone or chemotherapy can help us or it can kill us. Chemotherapy does not differentiate healthy cells from cancerous cells, so it kills all cells. That's why when people get chemotherapy, their hair falls out, right? So they're giving this young man with Crohn's chemotherapy, but they're not treating the underlying autoimmune disorder. And do you think maybe if he ever lives long enough to develop a cancer, maybe that chemotherapy now won't work on his cancer? So a lot of times with the autoimmune, especially Crohn's, they give them steroids. What that does is that makes you gain weight, right? When you gain weight, your sugars go up, your blood pressure goes up. Now you're diabetic and hypertensive and need pills for diabetes, high blood pressure, right? Then once you gain more weight, your knees start bothering you, you have more joint pain, and it's a vicious cycle. What if his doctors just attacked the underlying root cause of his autoimmune disorder, right? So that's what I help you do is attack the underlying root causes.